Welcome to GripoFlow. GripoFlow is your all-in-one workflow automation platform where you can automate anything you can imagine, from cloud operations to business processes, from DevOps pipelines to security operations, and from routine tasks to AI-powered applications. Connect your tools, build smart flows, and let automation do the work. Managing Azure costs across services and resource groups can quickly become complex, especially at scale. In this workflow, we will build a simple yet powerful automation to view the cost of all Azure services for a cluster using GripoFlow. To begin, click on the Workflow tab and create a new workflow. Enter a workflow name, description, choose the trigger type as on demand, set retry limits, add tags if needed, and click Next. You can add variables like cluster name or resource group for reuse, or simply skip and continue. Your workflow is now ready. Let's start adding activities. Click on plus button, click an Azure cost management activity, then click on price calculation. Provide your connection reference. Define a query to fetch actual Azure cost grouped by service name for a specific time range. Click on Submit button. The Azure cost management activity is now added to the workflow. Next, add a sandbox activity to parse, validate, and format the raw Azure cost data. For this, click on plus button, click on the sandbox, select code. A form appears, select language as JavaScript. As soon as you select the language, the sandbox mode is automatically set. Then simply enter your code. This JavaScript logic safely extracts service names, cost, and currency, then formats them into a clean readable output. With Sandbox, raw API responses becomes meaningful, user-friendly insights. Click on Submit button. Sandbox activity is now added. Now, add a Slack activity to send the formatted output to your team. For this, click on plus button. Click on Slack. Click on the Slack message. Use the sandbox output directly into your Slack message. Provide connection reference. Select the channel and submit. Select activity is added now. Click the Save button to save your workflow. A confirmation pop-up appears indicating that the workflow has been saved successfully. Now click Run. A successful execution confirmation is displayed. A green check mark indicates that all activities are working correctly. Now you can view detailed execution logs for each activity, and in Slack you will see the final output showing into the individual cost of Azure services. With GripoFlow, you don't just fetch data, you transform it into actionable insights, from cost management to automation and integrations. GripoFlow empowers teams to build smarter workflows, reduce manual effort, and make confident cloud decisions, all from a single platform. Thanks for watching Gripo.